informative day. In this video, we will be discussing about class 9 marks, lines and angles. We will discuss some of the important questions in this chapter. The first question is define complementary angle. Let's define it. When the sum of two angles are 90 degree, then those angles could be called as complementary angles. The next question is define supplementary angles. Let's define it. When the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then those angles could be called as supplementary angles. Or we can define as when two angles sum up to 180 degree, then those particular angles can be called as supplementary angles. The next question is define adjacent angles. Let's define it. Two angles are called adjacent angles if they have the same vertex, if they have the same common arm, and uncommon arms are on either side of the common arm. What is supplement of an acute angle? That is an obtuse angle, because the sum of angles should be 180 degree, so that the supplement of an acute angle is an obtuse angle only. The supplement of a right angle is a right angle, because 90 degree plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree, so the supplement would be right angle only. Write the complement of an angle of measure x degree. So that would be 90 degree minus x, because complement angles are called when sum of two angles sum up to 90 degree. Write the supplement of an angle of measure 2y degree. That would be 180 degree minus 2y degree, because the supplement of an angle would be 180 minus the angle. If a wheel has 6 spokes equally spaced, then find the measure of angles between two adjacent spokes. Then the diagram of spokes of wheel would be roughly like this. Sum of angles between all spoke is 360 degree, because sum of angles in a circle is always 360 degree. So let the measure of the angle between two adjacent spokes be x. Then 6x equal to 360 degree, that is x equal to 60 degree. So 60 degree is the measure of the angle between two adjacent spokes. Let's go to the next question. An angle is equal to its supplementary. Determine its measure. Therefore 180 minus 2x equal to 0, 180 equal to 2x, so x equal to 90 degree. So the angle is 90 degree. So the next question is an angle is equal to 5 times its complement. Determine its measure. Therefore the equation would be 90 minus 6x equal to 0. 90 equal to 6x and x equal to 15. So we have to multiply that with 5. So 5 into 15 equal to 75. So the answer is 75. So the next question is how many pairs of adjacent angles are formed when two lines intersect in a point? Then it would be looking something like this. So 1 and 4 are adjacent angles, 4 and 3 are adjacent angles, 3 and 2 are adjacent angles, and 2 and 1 are adjacent angles. So there are finally 4 adjacent angles when two lines intersect in a point. Thank you.